How to report someone on Snapchat? Here's how. Initially open the Snapchat app and tap the chat icon at the bottom. Here find the user you want to report from your chat list. Click on the chat to open the conversation. Now tap on their Bitmoji at the top to open their profile page. Furthermore, tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Then from the menu that appears, select Manage Friendship from the option. Moreover, hit Report and choose the reason why you are reporting their Snapchat account. Snapchat may ask for more details depending on your selection. After selecting the reason, tap Submit to send the report to the Snapchat moderation team. Finally, the Snapchat will review your report and get back to you with an update on the situation. That's it. Now you know how to report someone on Snapchat.